Hey guys, we're back today. This is P. It's 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18 Forester, all the same. I'm sure you guys how to remove and replace a door panel, door card. The reason why we're taking these off is I got a car that's got cloth. I'm going to put these leathers in it. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this door panel, and then I'll show you guys how to replace it on the other car. So you need a Phillips screwdriver and a pick of some sort, because you got to pick the covers here and here. There's two screws behind them. Here, you know what? This cover is kind of out. There's one screw in here, and there's a door panel screw. These door panel screws are the same here and here. They both got to come out. Once these two guys are out, we got to remove this guy too before the door panel can be removed. Now, I broke the last one on the other side. I'm going to blame it on the door was damaged, so it was kinked. You got to pull this a little bit that way, and then stick your hand right here. Haha! See, I'm telling you, the other door was damaged. That's why it broke. Came out nice and easy, this clip. And the reason why I got to pull that way a little bit, because this little clip likes to snug right into here. So I'll show you guys how to remove and replace this down the road. I don't know what you would call this. It does have a part number of 94251SG000. It's the right hand side. Left and right different. Okay, now you get a handle right here. You get behind this door panel and just give it a yank. Look at that, blue clip popped out. Save that, you're gonna need it. This side goes up first. Slide up and over. And if you come around this side, I'll show you guys. These two guys, just pop them. They pop out really easy. And then, let me put this blue clip back. Oh, lost my mic. Right there. And I can push my fingers right here. And this is how you remove a door panel. And then later we'll reinstall this door panel after, or we want to replace this door panel with another one. Some glass in here, get it out. We're gonna need this for later.